So yes, so let's go through again the who, what, when, where, and why. And in this order, so we'll say the who was Satoshi Nakamoto. Well, and this is the guy that writes or gets his name, the credit for writing the white paper that gave the specific instructions on how to create this peer-to-peer digital currency platform. So he created, or they, it, whatever it is, created the white paper that created the digital or Bitcoin, the first digital currency. So that's the who. The what was created was money. New money that was placed on a digital platform. Digital money. So new money, digital new money. Who, what, when? When it created 2009, first transaction 2010. Again, the first transaction that really gave it worth was saying, hey, if you get a pizza and send it to my house, I'll give you 10,000 of these Bitcoins. First digital currency. The where? On the internet. The why? Why was it created? Because the time that it takes to rectify and verify the electronic form of physical money. And two, because we wanted to decentralize, not have a middleman involved in how much money is out there for you to be able to use. So, who, what, when, where, why of Bitcoin.